The Zone's Toy Drive is now called the Willows Family Toy Drive from here on out to honor his legacy and to keep his spirit going. Dylan's still with us every year. We celebrate him in such a beautiful way, a way that he would appreciate, which is giving back to the communities, making kids happy.
15th annual toy drive from the Mayfair Shopping Center parking lot. It's Paul, Jenny, and Phil from LayedOut is here as well. And that this toy drive is now and forever will be known as the Willows Family Toy Drive. We had to get the family in there because we had to honor Mama Willows as well.
As Dylan's legacy lives on with this fundraiser. So,
how you feeling this morning, Ty?
I feel great. Loving this.
Almost a dozen cars here today, guys.
I think somebody unloaded a whole Hot Wheels stand in my house, man.
Look at the Hot Wheels and
oh man, some kids are getting to be just howling, doing wheelies.
As we are doing the toy drive from the shopping center parking lot, Mayfair Shopping Center, and the parking lot's full now at this point.
Goodness!
Yes, sir. LayedOut is in the house.
Yes! Holy! And we have Phil from LayedOut. Oh my gosh. Okay, so explain what you do every single year because you have this huge fundraiser.
This is all started with Dylan. You know what I mean? Our friendship and our bond, and we, he knows I love cars, and we started this big car show, and we started raising money for this foundation.
You guys were friends since high school.
Oh yeah, right? Like since we were like 14, 15 years old.
Yeah,
so,
wow.
Known him for a long time in Vancouver. We spent time together, and it's great. You know what I mean? Here we are. We're just continuous legend. Keep it going.
Okay,
for sure.
So this year, what's the scene?
Man,
you have 11 different
we have 11
cars.
We have 11 cars full to the brim. I was worried at one point in time. We were like, do we have to come back? It was crazy. The cars were so full, we were doing 30 on the highway. It's but everybody appreciated it, so it's okay.
You said that you raised a record amount of money this year.
Yeah, the total. We as for money wise, it was we just broke last year as well too. It's been a tough year for everybody.
Yeah,
but we did our part. You know what I mean? And man, there's probably $25,000 in toys here today. As well as a lot of other money that we're putting towards other things this year. We'll be giving a little bit of money in lieu of Dylan for BC Cancer Foundation.
Beautiful.
Thank
which is great. We also give money to Men's Therapy, which is a men's mental health awareness here in Victoria, and they're helping men with troubled times. So we help everybody if we can. Right?
That's incredible.
Yeah, for sure. Big time support.
And let's talk about the atmosphere this morning.
Oh man, well, you gotta say it's all about building a village, just like what Dylan said, kind of deal. I mentioned it's us doing this, but it also takes a lot of other people as well too. A lot of local businesses, people that were there for us. A lot of people collecting toys along the way, collecting donations, which was huge this year as well too. And we went out and spent it, and let's do it in old-fashioned times. You got to see our videos. LayedOutCC.com.
Okay.
Go there. Our new one just dropped last night of us spending $15,000 at one point in time. It was ridiculous. There was 15 shopping carts full, 7 bikes. Oh man, we had a fun time. So go check it out. We were having a blast.
Those videos are always so good. Because it's such a scene, right? All these guys rolling in, there's just money to spend.
Yeah, totally. And our good friend Damien, which is the general manager over in Langford Canadian Tire, and they give us a discount on top. Just let us have the store. They're like, store's yours. Go. And we're like, oh right. We were making football plays. Kids were riding bikes everywhere. It was chaos.
Oh my gosh! And I was looking at one of your videos too. Did you have a hockey team join you?
Yes. So Ty Lister is here as well too with us. He's one of our biggest supporters. Lisco Lawn and Irrigation. His daughter's hockey teams. The girls under 11, so they're called U11 hockey team. They raised a whole bunch of money. He provided a lot of money towards it. They spent over $5,000 in toys. Wow. They did a whole shopping spree. The girls always have fun. It's going to become an annual thing as well too. So we owe it to people like that. Do you mind if I mention some people?
Please.
Yes, go
well, obviously Tyler Lisco. Wow, just blows us away every year. He's here with us as well. He's unloading toys like a good elf, like all the others are doing as well too. Williams Automotive, they're over in Quadra Street. They're a family-run business, and they're just great. They raise so much. They spend so much out of their pocket as well too. So we love them. So if you need your car fixed, go see them. Wheelies downtown. They were one of our toy drops. M2 Graphix, Odyssey 24-hour gym raised a whole bunch of toys for us, which is great. Thank you again. Canadian Tire, they gave us a discount, which is great. Not even the big stores. I'm not even going to mention their name. Wouldn't do that for us. So they were great to us. Oakcrest Park Estates, Coastal Power Sweep. my friend Yan over at Contempo Developments, Michael Craycroft from Vic City Exteriors, all those guys reached deep into their pockets. And this is why this happened this morning. 11 cars full.
Phil,
let's do this.
It's one thing for you to do it, to raise the money and to buy the toys, but that list of people that you have reached out to and brought that community together to support, that's unbelievable.
And if I missed anybody, I love you. But it's like Dylan always says, it's just not one person. It's you got to build a team, and my awesome LayedOut team. The biggest guy on campus right there, Michael from Light 'Em Up. Happy birthday, my friend, as well, too. Michael's one of our big supporters. He's there doing all our media. That guy is one of us.
And he's crushing it, too, by the way. Those videos are great.
And rolled in, what was it called, a slingshot?
Yeah, that slingshot. That's not a car. It's missing a wheel. There's 3,000
lights on that thing. Amazing.
You rolled in on your snowmobile. Thanks.
Hey, Phil, we love you. Thank you so much for joining us.
I love you guys. And thank you guys for having us. And we're going to continue this year after year, right?
Good.
Let's do it.
Yeah.